are you?
I'm great.
Okay, so can you introduce yourself real quick?
Okay,
Just your name.
I'm Anjali. I'm a junior at Emory and I'm a psych major.
Okay, awesome. So tell me more. Okay, let's start with a simple question. Tell me a fun fact about you.
Um, this one's not easy, but I swim. That's fun.
Okay, no, that's fun.
That's fun.
Okay. Okay, where are you originally from?
Oh, I'm from New Delhi, India. Yeah.
And do you want to tell
Bora.
us more about New Delhi?
Yes, I sure would. So it's the capital of India, as you might know, and like currently there's a lot of political stuff going on there, but it's a long story and I won't get into it right now. But yeah, I was born in Nepal, but I moved I grew up in Delhi my entire life, and yeah, that's about it.
Okay, that's cool. So what is your favorite food from home?
Oh, so I love all North Indian food, but I would say I love butter chicken. That would be a big one.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's cool. So like if anyone were to visit New Delhi, do you have any restaurant suggestions for them?
There's this place called Indian Accent. It's like fancy, but it's like modern Indian food, and it's a fusion, and it's expensive, but it's good. It's really good. But then honestly, if you're in Delhi, you should go to street food places. So there's Chandni Chowk, which is just narrow alleys where they have a lot of street food, and it's really great. Obviously, if you're from the US or something, it's hard for you to eat at those places just because water is not the same. But if you're in Delhi, I would say the street food is the best thing.
That's cool. Is there a place in Atlanta where you think that you can get something close to your home cuisine? If so, what's your favorite place like that?
Personally, I don't eat much Indian food in Atlanta because I feel like the taste is not the same. But I've heard of some restaurants around. So Amar's is a good restaurant. That's supposed to be one of the best ones I've heard of. And then for South Indian food, there's Masti. I think that's other cuisine. It's not just South Indian food. And then there's an area called Patel Brothers where they have a lot of places to eat street foodish kind of it's a restaurant, but they have Indian street food. So that I would say is a good place. Yeah.
Okay. So what place in Emory or in Atlanta makes you feel most at home?
That's a good question. I mean, like I said, Patel Brothers is a good place because it feels like old Delhi in a way. Not Delhi now, but 20 years ago, 10 years ago. But most at home, honestly, if I'm just with friends from home, Indian friends or stuff like that.
I see. That is cool. Who is your favorite artist or celebrity from your hometown?
So in music, there's an artist called Pratik Kuhad. He's become pretty big in the US, in worldwide as well, and he's indie music. He's become really good. I don't really like Bollywood actors because they're too rich for my liking. They don't support the people. But there are a few. Yeah, so I would say Pratik Kuhad is good. I can't think of anyone else right now.
That's okay. So, what is your favorite show or your movie from your hometown, or from your language?
From Delhi. Favorite show or movie?
Yeah, from Bollywood, I guess.
Lots of good movies in Bollywood. One that recently came out was I forgot the name, so I'm going to talk about some different movie.
One eternity later.
I can't remember any names right now. Okay. Anyway, there's this movie called Rang De Basanti, which is about the political revolution where people were trying to be more protests and stuff, and I think that's very relevant to a lot of political scenarios now. So I think that's a good movie to watch, and it's very relevant now to what's actually happening in Delhi currently. So I would say, and it has an amazing soundtrack, so that's also important.
That's cool. So, shifting more to talking about you and your time at Emory, how long have you been in the US?
So my first time in the US was when I came to Emory, which was 2.5 years ago, almost 3 years ago now. So that was my first time.
That's cool. What was your biggest culture shock when you came here?
People always ask me that. I don't know, because I guess when you come here, you expect everything to be different, and it wasn't as different as I thought it would be. But the annoying part I realized was when you plug in outlets, they don't have switches on them. They're always on. I didn't know that was a thing in the US, so that one was annoying.
I
But
see.
it was fine.
How have you? Do you feel like you've adjusted well to the Emory life?
Oh, easily. Honestly, my parents joked about how my first day at Emory I was settled, because freshman year, like even like the international student orientation was really good in helping you get used to get used to living in Emory. So I never really had any issue with adjusting to Emory life ever. Yeah.
Okay. And what did you be when you wanted to grow up?
What do
As
I
a
wanna
child.
be? Oh, as a child. I mean, lots of things, like it changed, right? So like doctor, and like one time I wanted to be an air hostess. I don't know why. I can't fly. Like I have motion sickness. But yeah, I think the doctor was a big one, which is stupid. But that's not me at all now. But yeah, the mainstream ones.
I see. So, what are you studying in Emory now?
I'm doing psychology. I hate medicine.
Okay. Did you expect the change from your childhood dream to what you're studying now?
When I was a kid, I don't remember.
No, I mean like as you like grew up, transitioned out of being a child.
Oh yeah. I think pre-teen or like my early teen years, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I was just going with life. And then I got into psychology like 11th grade, and it's the only thing that I have interest in. So I thought I'd pursue that.
I see. So, what do you like most about your major?
What I like most about my major is the fact that it helps me understand people differently or better. I've always been interested in knowing why people behave the way they do, and I think psychology is a field that will help me understand that. It's not the only field, sociology, and like there are 50 other things that explain why people behave the way they do, but psychology is the one that made the most sense to me. Also, just with mental health and mental illness in general, when I see like people around me and friends dealing with stuff, it's helpful to understand what's going on with them and maybe ways to help them. So
So who's your favorite professor in Emory and why?
I have had a couple. I had a film professor, Charlie Michael. He was really fun. I learned a lot from him. There's a sociology professor, Professor Sonal Nalkur, who's amazing. I don't know how she's done so much stuff in her life for someone who's that young. Like, she has so many different experiences in so many different fields. I just love the way she like talks about it. So, and I've been in 2 of her classes now, so I think she's pretty cool.
So to end this stream of questions, what is your favorite thing about Emory?
That one's hard. I like the atmosphere, I would say. I've never felt like competitive or too pressured here. I know people are stressed all the time, but it's different. It's not like people are forcing me to, do certain classes or like get certain grade. I'm doing my own thing. And I think that's not true in a lot of other colleges, so I appreciate that.
Actually, one more question. What advice do you have for international students who are newly entering the US or coming to Emory?
I would say get out of your comfort zone. Like, I was an academic fellow my second year, and what I felt was people tended to not try to mingle with people, and I feel the best way to get used to Emory is make a lot of friends. So that would be my advice.
Okay. Thank you for interviewing with us, Anjali.
Thanks.